Export of general vaccines has declined even as overseas demand for COVID-19 vaccines from India has picked up. According to the Pharmaceutical Export Promotions Council Pharmexil data, there has been a dip in vaccine exports in the current financial year up to January 2021. General vaccine exports has decreased to $648 million in the same period this current financial year, as compared to $695 million of vaccine exports during April to January in the last financial year. At the same time, overall pharma exports are showing double-digit growth. We expect vaccine exports to pick up as soon as COVID-19 threat fades away, says R. Uday Bhaskar, Director, Pharmexil. However, the demand for India-made COVID-19 vaccines has been steadily increasing. India's mass vaccination program is currently underway with Covishield of Serum Institute and Covaxin of Bharat Biotech. Over 25 countries have already received Indian vaccines and about 60 are already expressing interest are in the waiting list. According to Krishna Ella, Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Biotech, the company is in the process of filing regulatory documentation in more than 40 countries. A senior pharma executive believes that the current dip in vaccine exports is a one-time phenomena, mainly due to the special circumstances created by the COVID-19 pandemic for the last 1 year. There are gaps and discontinuities in general immunization programs in many parts of the world in the last 1 year on account of COVID and general restrictions. There has been a drop in procurement from some NGOs too, he says. Many experts have stressed on the need to continue general immunization programs along with measures to tackle COVID-19.